Welcome back to Whispered Nights, where rain carries you safely. Tonight, you release effort and allow rest to arrive gently. Find a comfortable position and let your body soften slowly. Adjust your pillow and feel your shoulders drop downward. Close your eyes and breathe in calm, peaceful air. Exhale slowly, releasing weight from your tired body. Nothing is required from you in this moment. The world outside has grown quiet and distant. Night wraps everything in softness and protection. Rain begins falling lightly against the dark windows. Each drop arrives patiently, without rushing or pressure. Listen carefully to the steady rhythm of rainfall. This sound exists only to calm your nervous system. Your breathing naturally begins to slow down. Inhale gently through your nose, feeling cool air. Exhale through your mouth, releasing stored tension. Your feet relax, becoming warm and heavy. Your calves soften, letting go of the day. Your knees unlock and rest comfortably now. Your thighs sink deeper, supported by the surface. Your stomach rises and falls without effort. Your chest opens just enough for easy breathing. Your shoulders melt downward, releasing hidden strain. Your arms feel heavy, safe, and completely relaxed. Your hands rest loosely without holding anything. Your neck loosens and your jaw unclenches fully. Your forehead smooths as thoughts fade away. Outside, rain grows steadier, soothing and consistent. The night listens quietly without asking questions. Imagine a warm room built only for rest. The walls are strong, keeping you protected inside. Soft light glows gently, without brightness or demand. Rain creates a curtain between you and worries. Nothing from outside can reach you now. Thoughts may appear, then drift away harmlessly. Do not follow them, just let them pass, like reflections moving across wet pavement. Your mind grows quieter with each breath. Spaces between thoughts grow wider and calmer. Rain continues speaking a language your body remembers, a rhythm older than stress, older than fear. Your heartbeat slowly matches the rain outside, steady, predictable, calm, and deeply reassuring. You feel supported by the surface beneath you. Gravity feels kind, holding you securely. There is nowhere else you need to go. There is nothing else you need to do. The night has claimed this time for rest. Your eyelids feel heavier with each breath.
If sleep approaches, welcome it without resistance. If it waits longer, that is also fine. You are already resting deeply and safely. Outside, rain traces lines down glass, silently. Streetlights blur into soft golden shapes. Everything sharp has become smooth and distant. Your body temperature feels perfectly balanced now. Not too warm, not too cool. Just right for deep, restorative sleep. Your breathing continues slow and even. Inhale calm. Exhale the remaining tension. Inhale safety. Exhale the day completely. Rain creates layers of comforting sound. Near rain, far rain, distant rain, all surrounding you like a soft cocoon. Your mind no longer searches for anything. Awareness drifts gently without direction. You are floating without effort or thought. The night carries you without asking anything. Rest becomes deeper with every passing second. Thunder may roll softly far away, not loud, not sudden, just a reminder. You are sheltered, warm, and protected. Nothing dangerous exists in this space. Your nervous system begins powering down. Muscles release what they no longer need. Your lower back softens and settles. Your hips relax, supported and still. Your legs feel pleasantly heavy now, almost as if sleep is pulling them downward. Rain remains constant, patient, and soothing, never rushing, never demanding attention. Your mind learns from this rhythm, slow, steady, safe, and predictable. Thoughts dissolve before forming fully. Silence grows comfortable instead of empty. Darkness feels friendly and supportive, like a blanket covering the day. You no longer track time passing. Minutes stretch into softness and ease. Breathing continues automatically, without guidance. In and out, slow and effortless. Your body remembers how to sleep. It has done this countless nights before. There is nothing new to learn, only permission to let go. Rain gives that permission freely. Each drop whispers, "Rest, rest, rest." Your eyelids barely want to stay open. Sleep waits patiently beside you.
Keep the surface beneath you softer now. Your weight sinks without resistance, like settling into memory foam clouds. Rain becomes background comfort noise, not something you listen to actively, just something that exists safely. Your awareness fades slightly more. Edges of thought blur into darkness. The mind loosens its grip completely. You are no longer trying to sleep. Sleep is already happening naturally. The night welcomes you without judgment. There are no expectations here, no alarms, no responsibilities, no pressure, only darkness, warmth, and gentle rain. Your breathing synchronizes perfectly with calm. Inhale peace, exhale effort. Inhale stillness, exhale worry. The body chooses rest automatically now. Rain continues its endless, patient fall. The earth receives every drop gratefully, just as you receive rest now. You are allowed to stop holding everything, allowed to stop thinking everything through, allowed to exist without effort. Your awareness drifts toward dreamless space, a place without images or thoughts. Only sensation of safety remains. Sleep deepens layer by layer gently. Your face feels smooth, relaxed, and heavy. Your eyelids fully surrender to gravity, eyes resting without movement or focus. Your mouth rests slightly open, comfortably. Breathing remains slow, quiet, and steady. Nothing interrupts this peaceful state. The outside world feels very far away, as if separated by miles of rain. You are exactly where you need to be. Nothing else matters anymore. The rain becomes eternal and unchanging, a constant lullaby without ending. Your body trusts this sound completely. Trust replaces vigilance and alertness. The mind powers down unnecessary systems. Only essential calm remains active. You drift deeper beyond conscious awareness. Words become less important now. Meaning dissolves into sensation. Sleep takes over gently and fully.
If any thought appears, let it dissolve. Rain washes it away instantly. You do not need to respond. You do not need to engage. The night handles everything now. Your only job is resting, and even that happens automatically. Your breathing remains steady and calm, in and out without awareness. Sleep carries you further inward now. You are wrapped in darkness and warmth, protected by walls, sound, and night. Rain continues its quiet conversation. You no longer need to listen actively. Your body has fully let go. Muscles are loose and still. The mind has gone quiet. Only rest remains present. Drifting, floating, sinking deeper. Safe, warm, and completely at peace. Good night, traveler of the quiet rain. The night will watch over you. Sleep now without resistance or thought. Let darkness hold you gently. Let rain guide you deeper. Nothing will disturb this rest. Nothing will ask anything from you. The journey of the day has ended. Only sleep remains now. Good night. Good night. Good night.